Hey, after years of perfecting a recipe, a master chef finally sits down and writes it all out. Not just the ingredients, but the technique and the why. Thank you, Simon, behind every step.
By why, I mean, what's your purpose? What's your cause? What's your belief? And why should anyone care?
We've done the same thing for e-commerce search. Our complete guide is the recipe for transforming your search from a simple tool to your most powerful salesperson.
I am the king of all sales.
Now, is it really step by step? Sort of. Not really, but maybe? I do outline the steps to get there, but getting a real semantic search engine up and running in your own shop is going to take some serious elbow grease. And probably some kind of conversation with people who breathe site search optimization. And that's what I want to be for you. The breath of site search. The last wink of love, instilling the confidence you need to know how wise investments in e-commerce search look.
100% legal. My friend's doing it. What you do is you adopt old people.
At the very least, know the following. You got more than just 2 available options. In addition to make or buy, you now have the choice to optimize what you already have.
Already had it. Yeah.
With your own data. And most search engines either claim to measure lots of things they can't consistently measure, or the KPIs they're measuring are nothing more than a homeopathic taste of what could be. So if you're scared of touching your site search, take a deep breath.
5 hours later.
It's going to be okay. There's no need for rash decisions. And no, reading the article in the comment below is not going to make you a semantic search Michelin star chef. It will, however, help you understand the roadmap we would use to help you get there.